I am the hugest SRK fan. But listen, because of him, we girls are just delusional. Pooh and Rohan, you just don't know what happened after
It's
they
like
got
the
married.
principal and Priganza from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai का track है उनका almost. It's that comedic.
No!
पौने 12 बजे दोनों घर से चले
We sing too much. We've been singing too much in these episodes.
आते जाते जो मिलता I shouldn't sing.
Oh my
तुमसा
god!
लगता है. तुमसा लगता है.
And Sallu dance, a full Sallu dance in there. हम तुमसा लगता है.
Somewhere it started from Pia Pia, like in the towers dancing. Another,
Which sisters do that?
yeah.
Better than
the
Ailey Ray Ailey.
stepsisters.
Which sister does Ailey Ray
Yeah,
Ailey?
तो-
मैं ही दे दूं. Go.
Okay.
Raksha.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Popcorn Hour, season 3.
Yeah.
This is a big deal. We have with us an amazing, talented, very exceptionally talented and beautiful also, it's okay to say, actress. You've seen her in Big Bull, you've seen her in Jewel Thief, you've seen her in Kabir Singh and a lot more. Nikita Datta is with us.
Thank you guys for having me.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
No, I'm very excited. I really am thinking and looking forward to what comes out of my mouth today. I don't know what I'm going to end up saying.
Just pretend like it's just 3 of us.
Okay,
There's
yeah.
no camera.
Yeah,
There's no one.
the 20 people sitting in the room
None
don't
of them.
exist.
None of them are
They
here.
don't exist,
None of them
yeah.
are here.
Hallucinatory. Yeah, so today what we're going to discuss, because we're girls, and girls only, girls watch love stories. I'm kidding.
Wow.
We're going to
So wait,
discuss...
Shantanu's exiting now.
Shantanu will keep shut.
Or I
so
have an
small
announcement to
episode.
make. One of the two.
We're going to discuss rom-coms. Rom-coms that we grew up on, rom-coms we love, who are the actors that we like watching rom-coms and all of that. We're going to deep dive into rom-coms. Let's start with movies that you grew up on. If you
Yeah.
could list maybe 2-3 movies.
2-3?
Romantic comedy, chal name one.
I think I have lots.
Or go for it.
But
Laundry list.
like these are my comfort films, and it's funny because why I say comfort films, I feel like these were films that when we were kids we watched them in the theater. Okay, and then there was this cable TV system
Yeah.
जहाँ पे वो एक pirated version cable TV पे आता
Immediately
था.
आता था.
Immediately आता था.
हाँ,
मतलब
एक
एक
दो
हफ्ते
दिन
के
में
अंदर.
हाँ.
So you watched it in the theater. फिर उसका एक वो pirated version तुमने देखा है. उसके बाद when it came officially as a telecast on a channel, you waited the week because they announced it.
Yes.
You timed your life around it, and then you watched it, and then you just watched it over and over again. And that's why these films are so deeply inside your system.
100%.
So I have like a huge period, like a period of like films when I would do this, and I think that's why those films are like the comfort films you want to go back to. So to name a couple of them, top of the list, please don't judge. I don't think this podcast
Never.
requires judging.
When you hear us.
We don't judge. We don't judge.
Because if you hear me, there's a very different side that'll come out today. Top of the list is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Been obsessed with it. Obsessed and how.
Yeah.
Like, if somebody asked me, why did you want to go to London? I would act fancy and say, because of Love Actually. No, it's because of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi
Rahul
Gum.
Rai
You
Chand
won't
was the
dance
inspiration.
like Hrithik
And
Roshan.
can I tell you, my soul connects not to Pooh and not to Anjali, it connects to Rohan.
Oh.
I think I relate to a
You're the younger
Rohan.
sibling.
Were you
right?
a laddu ever?
I was a laddu, a bit
were
of a
a-
laddu, but I'm just saying, like his sass, I don't know why I find it so cool. Like, you know,
Rohan
the
Raichand.
number of times I've
Yeah.
been to London, every time in my head, I feel like I'm Rohan walking, looking for my estranged
Puffer
Just a
jackets.
puffer jacket and nothing else inside. Just
Puffer
one puffer
jacket.
jacket पहन के.
Yeah, I'm just walking, Vande Matam's playing in the background. Like, it's just me. Yeah. So
Alright.
I'm obsessed with that
We were
film.
actually discussing this. We were dissecting what qualifies as a rom-com. Because
Right.
K3G could be considered drama.
It's a family
melodrama.
drama.
Correct. But there are such strong pockets of romantic comedy in that movie.
Correct.
Especially second half, if you look at
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's all crying. That's a
Rahul
lot
and
of
Anjali,
crying.
no, their life in London
Oh, that's
is
a-
super
that's
rom-com.
Proper
That whole-
representation of marriage it is. Very
good,
cute.
good
Yeah.
representation of marriage,
Right.
strong banter, very
Right.
funny, lot
Correct.
of comedy there.
Correct.
कि मुझे पैसे दे दो.
चलो जल्दी से जाओ चलो
मैं
चलो
टैक्सी में चला जाऊंगा.
अरे टैक्सी के पैसे मुझे दे देना.
God, you are so cheap.
In fact,
Yeah,
even
that-
their courtship is romantic comedy only, na? When
Yeah, the
Rahul's
courtship as well, and also like then suddenly it's a little bit of women empowerment. Also, I know I'm sounding very like because then he's living with 3 women. Yeah, he's living with 3
For
women.
sure.
They are
Yeah, yeah.
ruling
100%.
technically. So I mean
Yeah.
there are a lot of those
You
angles.
said Pooh when she said
women
women
empowerment,
empowerment.
Pooh.
I don't know if Pooh really can be justified.
Listen,
as
if
women.
I am seen on camera saying poos about women empowerment, yeah, you have You have a
It's
hit
raining
episode
men.
already.
Akanksha rage bait. Akanksha only rage baits people in the comments. So ऐसे
You have
बोलती
to
है
wear
कुछ भी.
pink short dresses and dance to It's Raining Men. That's
And
the
there are the
epitome of like
there are the two girls with
the
her
two
also
girls. Like,
in that.
what are we
Dude,
waiting
I
for?
love that It's Raining Men.
It's
In
too
my
good,
head,
yeah.
every time if I want to go out on a date, I'm like, it's Raining Men energy. It's
women
Raining Men.
empowerment.
You just shake your head a
feeling
little like that,
confident.
and you just like tell yourself.
I will also imagine.
But which love angle did you all like more in K3G? Did you like Shah Rukh, Kajol, or Hrithik Kareena?
I think
Which was
love
more like-
angle wise, I would like a Shah Rukh Kajol. They were
Always.
I think also because they had a longer graph.
Yeah, also.
Because you see them pre-wedding and you
Yeah.
see them post-wedding with like Pooh and Rohan. You just don't know what happened after
It's
they
like
got
the
married.
principal and Priganza from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai ka track hai unka almost. It's that comedic.
No.
Pooh and Rohan barely have any
Anupam
depth.
Kher and Hrithik Roshan you have made into.
No, Anupam Kher is Hrithik and Mrs. Briganza is the new Pooh. The Pooh is the new
I'm
Mrs.
suddenly
Briganza.
starting to feel better about myself. You guys were right. You
Yeah.
guys are right
मैं तो
about
कह रहा हूँ,
this.
उतना जितना अर्चना पूरन सिंह was doing, she was the Pooh in the previous film.
Okay.
I mean, yeah,
Sure.
maybe like Pooh for a different generation.
Yeah, of course.
I guess if you
I'm
put
saying
it
same
that way,
comedic,
sure.
the
Yeah.
same com in the ROM.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
The same com in the ROM.
That is also a story that deserves more time, na?
Anupam
Miss
Kher?
Briganza and Anupam Kher.
They could have a spin-off. If today
Cute.
they make actually a spin-off on this, it will work.
It's cute.
I genuinely think it'll work.
She was there in Nadania, no?
She was in that.
That was a failed attempt. That was a failed attempt.
That
They
was-
That's
tried,
like
but-
move
Because of
on
it, yeah.
from this
Overall, big one.
conversation.
But अब चलो anyway.
Okay, ठीक है.
We-
How is
we
it?
love
K3G?
DCA.
We love-
No talk of Nuts film.
We love.
Conversation on this movie
K3G.
ends.
K3G. Let's stick to
No,
K3G.
but I'll tell you what. So, like, for us, right? So, these three came out in a series, if you remember. There was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, there was Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and then there was Kal Ho Na Ho.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, as a kid, I would sit and be like, inme kitna kuch common hai. They basically have some kind of Indian element. Okay. So, if you see
Abroad.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, there is the Dadi who's hoisting the flag. And Johnny Lee was all
Almeida.
going like, oh my God.
अंग्रेजों
like,
के ज़माने का
yeah,
tailor था
yeah,
उसका
Queen
दादा.
को pray करता है.
Correct. So you have that angle. In K3G, suddenly you have the Jana Gana Mana. He starts singing.
Yeah.
Okay, there's like a Mera Bharat Mahana that
Sure,
happens.
sure.
And then even in Kal Ho Na Ho, when they switched the restaurant and they
Yeah,
put like the Indian
yeah.
flag, like this was like just a common
100%.
pattern.
NRI patriotism.
Yes, it was
tropes.
like some level of NRI patriotism, which can I tell you is very exciting when we were kids.
Of course.
Now we are kids who had not stepped out of the country. Our like window to the world was this,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
today, the minute my sister lives in San Francisco, and the minute I go there, my brain says chunri chunri. My brain says lavachkal. Like this is how my brain functions.
yeah.
I went to Rio. And the first thing I thought was of Dilbara because there's a song of
वो
Dhoom.
रियो में?
नहीं, not Dilbara.
The other
The
one, the
Dhoom 2
Bipasha
song,
one,
Bipasha
the
song.
Bipasha one.
Yeah, what is that Bipasha song? Oh my God, you don't know it.
Akanksha,
You
have
know
to-
it.
You cannot jump scare me like that.
It's
ever
one
again.
of those. It's
Yeah,
one
yeah,
of
yeah.
those.
It's the
Yeah, where they
one
both
of
are
those.
like dancing
I
in
know
front of the Christ.
It's okay, we'll get it. We'll
Uday
insert
Chopra-
it.
Uday
We're
Chopra
sorry.
Bipasha song, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm saying it's like when you travel, your brain is just thinking Bollywood.
100%.
Yeah.
It's your childhood has taken all of this, and now like you you're just
Yeah.
like okay, यहाँ जाना है, इधर इसका shooting हुआ था. I
मैंने
want to see it.
मयूरका में बेशरम रंग किया है खुद. There's a reel lying somewhere of me just on my fours
I'm
doing.
so glad it's
If
not
you
out to the
publish
It
world.
will.
I
That
want
is
to
that
see.
that will open this episode of me with me on my.
Okay, so
phone.
now we're not worried about the views. We can just talk anything. We're getting the
This would
views.
blow up. I would watch this.
Yeah.
On repeat.
So that's
Yeah.
but that's an interesting point to do NRI patriotism in the trilogy. We're not keeping Kank as part of the Karan.
Kank-
That,
But
but
yeah.
no, but that
New
that
York.
kind
Kank
of
the
also
rom-
broke. That kind of broke the trilogy.
That's not rom-com.
Also, it was not a children's film.
At all.
Because I was not allowed to watch it.
Oh.
Yeah, my sister watched it, came and told me the story. And
It's
then
my
we-
favorite. It's my favorite Dharma film.
Okay, so hers is basically Dharma Universe, K3G favorite.
Yes, yes.
I'll say mine.
Yeah.
And this bleeds into what we'll discuss next. Mine is Hum Tum. I actually recently rewatched it.
Yeah.
And I think it's a really, really sweet story because it starts with friendship and
Correct.
that very typical idea of you are boy, I am girl, we are not friends
Correct,
or whatever.
correct.
But as they grow older, they realize that that's such a fallacy and we can
Yes.
actually find commonality and eventually fall in love, which I
Yeah.
was recently, so I cried like crazy.
You know,
watching
the funny thing is, I've also watched the original one when Harry Met
When
Sally.
Harry-
Yeah, yeah.
Hum Tum's
And
way
I
better.
think Hum Tum is such a beautiful remake that they've done. They've done
Yeah.
justice to that remake. You know how you feel like ki, you're not cringing or anything of that sort.
yeah.
Also, I feel in today's times, we've become very okay with this whole a girl and a guy chilling together. Back in the day, I think there was a lot of you're a boy, I'm a girl, so like
Yeah, yeah,
you
yeah.
know,
Ladki dost nahi ho
and you know
sakte.
the
Boys are
girls,
best.
and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
like boys would be like we hate girls, the girls would say we hate boys. So they've kind of really got
Tapped
that
into it.
element
Yeah.
correct because that's how it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love Hum Tum
I
too.
love
I
it.
absolutely love Hum
It was
Tum.
like Bollywood negging.
Yeah.
It was like some dramatic Bollywood negging that they would do. Na? Like
Yeah,
girls would be a camp, boys would be a
Yeah.
camp.
Yeah.
That was but it also destigmatized remarriage. It did a lot of like
correct.
she's a
Correct.
it did a lot of
Single
cool
mother,
things.
Kiran Kher
single
is a
mother,
single
Kiran
mother.
Kher. She loses Abhishek Bachchan.
She
is it
loses
the film?
Abhishek
She loses,
Bachchan.
yeah.
Loses Abhishek Bachchan. He comes back into her life. Very good. And full rom-com.
Divorce also they've
Best
shown-
rom-com leading man.
Saif is best rom-com leading man.
Yeah, I
we
would
think.
say that. I've
Yeah.
not done that with him, but yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. But I think that era
We've
of
done heist movie with him.
yeah, with that era of Saif doing rom-coms, like from Hum Tum to Salam Namaste as well. Is there anything I'm missing out?
Tararam
Tararam. Yes.
Yeah.
Like,
Thoda pyar, thoda magic.
Yeah, that.
I'll skip that one. I think I'll stick to the first three.
Even audience did.
That's okay. I'll stick to the first three. No, there's like so much fun, right? Like that's the Saif we all fell in love with.
Yeah.
I think post Dil Chahta Hai, it was suddenly this boom of these three films
Yeah.
that you started enjoying Saif
He
so
played
much.
himself a
He
little
played
bit.
himself, and
Yeah.
honestly, that's himself. Like if I have to tell you, in
Very
reality, also
adorable.
he's he's exactly that.
Yeah.
Okay, but it is so enjoyable because every guy is looking at him and saying, "Oh my God, that's so cool."
Yeah.
Okay, like his
You also
styling
realize
from
like flirtation through humor.
Correct,
That's
correct.
what rom-com does.
That
na?
little
Like
sitcom type character. He was like
Yeah.
a blend of like a Chandler, Joey type of a very
yes,
Western
yes,
idea.
it was a very Chandler and Joey mix.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
That's F brought to
And
Indian
every
cinema.
guy wants to be a mix of Joey and Chandler.
Yeah.
They think they are funny, they think they are cool, and they think they want to get the girl by behaving nonchalant.
Yeah.
This is like every guy's dream.
But in Hum Tum, no, it's like he's this bratty, whatever, when he's younger. But when he's older, he's a very sensitive, very sensible, feeling person.
Because he's grown from a boy to a
yeah,
man.
it's so
Cartoonist?
nice.
Is he a
He's a
cartoonist?
cartoonist. He draws Hum and Tum.
Hum and Tum ka cartoonist.
It used to come
It
in
was
Bombay
such a
Times. I
huge
used to
thing.
read
It was a Bombay Times whole edition that they'd started. I
Jaggi Di
clearly
Rishi Rich ka
remember.
gana bhi tha, that big song na, Veronica,
Yes,
Jaggi Di
yes,
Rishi Rich.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a question. You all liked Rani Saif more or Preeti Saif more?
Uh,
Oh, interesting.
interesting. I think after Saif's comment of underwater piece,
Preeti?
yeah, I
know.
kind of find that funny, but I think I enjoyed Rani Saif more.
Rani
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
I'm also a Rani Saif guy.
But Kalhona also.
Because I
is
like
nice.
Hum Tum over Salam Namaste.
Defo.
Hum Tum
Defo.
over Salam Namaste.
Yeah.
And
There are things of Salam Namaste I really like. Like, I think I was obsessed with Preeti's styling. As a girl, I wanted to look like her. Also, Preeti is shown like doing so much yoga and she's,
Yeah, she's
working
very
out.
fit, in that
she's
movie.
she's
Muscle
very
and all.
fit.
Yeah.
So in my head, I still remember there's this one scene where he's going into the bathroom and she's sitting on the mat and she's trying to touch her foot and her hands together sideways like that. Every day I would try and do this because I saw Preeti do this. So there were those kind of things I really took back from Salam Namaste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only Nikita.
I don't know.
I'm watching Salam Namaste for fitness
Oh,
inspiration.
the
It's a new
Preeti
one.
Zinta bod. The Preeti
She
Zinta
has
Salam
a
Namaste.
great bod in
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
When she's
I'm-
doing that step in the red halter top, oh my God.
It's like
just
some
look at
denim
her.
shorts and
I also feel
It's
like
a
that's the
denim
first
skirt.
time
denim
you
skirt
saw
and
denim
red.
skirt and a red
ये कलर का
halter.
कुछ पहना होता है.
I wish I had those muscles. No, but it's the first time you saw her as the hot girl. I feel like she was the cute
Yeah,
girl
she was the
mostly.
cute, bubbly girl.
Salam
Bubbly.
Namaste, she's a hottie.
This is the first time
Yeah,
you
yeah.
saw her with
Yeah.
that.
She was a perk girl energy, no?
Yeah.
Till then. She was
Also,
a
I think it was a more like it was a slightly hotter film because it had
They have a
like
full-on
them.
sex scene,
Yeah,
dude.
because also I remember I think it was some magazine. It was a Femina or some magazine that year which called their kiss like the hottest kiss of the year types.
Yeah, they go for it. It's
Like
like,
my mom used to cover my eyes.
I used to
My
cover
mom
own
till
eyes.
date would cover my
No,
eyes.
we watched Salam Namaste directly on cable TV. Like I didn't have my
Acha.
theatre journey with it.
Okay,
I
okay,
directly
okay.
saw it on cable TV, then TV.
तो remote in hand कोई आ गया तो बदलना.
So now when you're watching it like that, you're glued like this in the middle. I mean, you're almost so close to the screen when
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
watching
yeah.
it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Hum Tum, yes, I agree. But like I think these things for Salam Namaste, like really, I kind of
Salam Namaste, trickier story also.
yes again.
He's very unlikable as
Yes,
a character
yes.
in that movie.
He's been
He
constantly
really has
getting
to-
Preeti Zinta pregnant, यार. क्या कहना से लेके सलाम
There's a
नमस्ते.
whole reel on that,
हाँ,
like
क्या
Preeti
कहना
Zinta
तो
just
सलाम
getting
नमस्ते.
pregnant and like Saif
It's
Right.
like
Come
Parmeet
together.
said he's trying to buy Anil Kapoor's business from Om Jai Jagdish to Dil Dhadakne Do.
Oh dear.
Tejas Sabni को जो
good
लगे
one,
हुए
good
हैं.
one, good one,
People
good
are
one.
constantly-
Also, there was Ben and Jerry's.
Yes.
I heard
Double
about
dark
Ben and Jerry's.
chocolate
Yes,
ice cream.
yes. I remember going to the US for the first time and I was just like, I want Ben and Jerry's.
And like
Just
that.
because I've seen a song on it, I want Ben and
Pauni
Jerry's.
baara baje,
Yeah.
dono ghar se
Always. We
chale.
sing too much. We've been singing too much in these episodes. Rajiv sang 5 songs.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
5 bar. 5
What
gaane
do
we
you
have sang
say?
with
I'm
him.
a singer.
As a
So
singer.
if you're struggling, what put in my edit? Just
Yeah.
put like some footage.
We'll cut him back. We'll put Rajiv singing. Beach frame mein we
We'll make
edit
it sound
Rajiv
like
Suddenly
this
singing.
just
is
make him sing in the middle.
You
Yeah.
tell your favorite rom-com.
My favorite
You didn't say.
rom-com. I have 2 that I want
Boy
to pick.
perspective.
Boy perspective, finally.
Oh, dear, okay.
I actually like Hasi To Fasi a lot. I think it's a very nice film.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a great
And
film. It's a
shout
great
out-
film.
it's a
I think
great-
it's one of Pariniti's most loved performances for me. I think
I'm a-
she's acted like a dream.
Pariniti, great. Sid, the whole
Very
the
cute.
triangle is well
Yeah.
done. Ada Sharma, I love. She's a very very sweet girl and one of the nicest. That Neeta Karishma, the two sisters, there's such a stark contrast. And I just remember there's that scene where he accidentally takes Neeta's name instead of Karishma, and there's
Yeah.
a
It's
my
beautiful.
nightmare that
It's my
happens to
favorite
me.
song also. Manchala is playing.
No,
Music
there's
is very good.
Zehnasib,
Zehnasib,
Manchala,
Ishq
such
Bulawa.
lovely
Ishq
song.
Bulawa.
Ishq Bulawa.
Ishq Bulawa is such a good Bombay
Even
song.
that Punjabi
Shake It
wedding
Like-
song I like.
Punjabi wedding song, so
wedding
self
song.
Shake It Like Shammi.
Shake It Like Shammi?
Shake It. Then there's one.
There's
a
one with
dance
Ada
song.
and Sid also, where she's wearing the orange sari. Which is that one?
Oh.
You know she liked the drama. Yes, she is.
That's
No,
the
no,
later.
that's
That's
him.
the
Oh,
post
that's when
credit.
they're
That's
getting
the
drunk.
post credit.
Ah, that's
Where she's
the
in the
one,
check
that's-
shirt.
Great album, and that director Vinil Matthew.
He's actually a brilliant
He,
director.
he
Tell
makes
now what else
these
he's
best
made.
ads. You know, have you seen that really cute Cadbury silk ad with the puppets and all? Vinil Matthews actually not
He's
made a
actually an
rom-com
ad
ever again.
director.
He made
Okay.
Hasin Dilruba.
Yeah, Hasin
Hasin
Dilruba
Did
was
Hasin
his
Dilruba?
Yes, he did Hasi To Fasi.
Quite
and
a
he stayed-
range.
No, but Hasi To Fasi, if you see the blocking, is very ad-like.
Very
And
Cornetto
Yes,
vibes.
yes.
Oh.
Cornetto, yes.
Very
That's
correct.
that's
Yeah,
correct.
yeah,
So when
yeah.
you see even the family shots and all in the background, you get like a very, which is why it's got a different feel to it.
Got it, got
It's
it,
not like the regular ones.
And they've done upper middle class sequences, at least the Sharat Saxena family. Na?
Yeah,
I feel
yeah.
like a lot of times, like Bollywood gets it very, ya to they show
Correct.
a very skewed idea of
Yeah.
what middle class, upper middle class is, ya to बहुत ही Buckingham Palace hota hai ya kuch nahi hota.
So there is a way of saying, like when they say गरीब दिखना है, they are just like नहीं मतलब rich गरीब दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Okay, I was doing a Marathi film and I remember this. I said, what is like the economic status of the family? They said, no, they're fine. They're not rich, but they can't look गरीब. Okay, so that's like a brief that it's basically K3G Kajol from Chandni Chowk.
Oh,
She
okay,
doesn't look
okay,
गरीब.
okay.
Oh, but like, how can it be Halwai or Buckingham Palace? Where's the middle zone?
Nothing.
Hasi to Fasi.
Exactly.
Hasi to Fasi is decent middle zone.
Exactly.
Normal casserole में रोटियां होती हैं उनके table. I
like
noticed
a
the
normal
dining
flat,
table.
not a bungalow.
But that's
That
also
kind of
like
stuff
if you see
also.
changing times, right? Like back in the day, this was acceptable.
Yeah.
Then slowly, I think they started
Yeah.
making that effort कि नहीं realism
थोड़ा
थोड़ा
realism.
दिखाते हैं
थोड़ा
अभी.
realism.
My second is also a Pariniti.
I
Which
know
one?
this.
You know this.
Meri Pyari Bindu.
I
he
love
loves.
Meri
I
Pyari
have
Bindu.
not watched
I
this
watched it after he
film.
recommended
I
Strong
hate to
reco. I
say
make
I'm
very
people
good
watch it. I
movie.
make
Really
people
like
watch
it.
it. It's basically
Yeah.
like a better 500 Days of Summer.
Oh.
10x better, 10x
10x. They
better.
did a Katti Batti also, which was supposed to be 500
was
Days of
not.
Summer. Imran
Katti
Kangana.
Batti didn't work, I remember.
Nah,
It
nah.
had, I like that song from Katti Batti.
The Katti Batti, it was a cutely packaged
Yeah.
film. It didn't do well. I think it was the end of Imran's that one
Rom-com era.
That
Dude, he also had like a really good rom-com
We were
era.
saying that the baton
he's
of
the
Saif
second.
Ali
Saif
Khan,
passed the
Imran
baton
Khan.
to
Yeah,
Imran
it's,
and
it's
left.
I Hate Love Stories. I love that film.
Gori
Again,
break के बाद
Break
Break
Ke
Ke
Baad.
Baad.
Great songs, yeah.
he had a great
songs.
albums.
The one with Kareena Kapoor where they don't
Ek
end
Main
up
aur Ek
together.
Tu, Shakun
Ek Main aur
Batra.
Ek Tu.
एक मैं और एक तू, there was Gori Tere Pyar
Gori
Mein.
Tere Pyar
But that the
Mein.
Shakun film is amazing.
Yeah.
Ek Main aur Ek Tu.
They
That's
don't
a,
end
First
up
time
together in
spoke
that.
about like, you know,
Yeah.
I'm putting you in friend
Yeah,
zone.
yeah, yeah.
I'm not dating you, I'm putting you in
and
friend
he's
zone.
not entitled like Ranbir and Adil है मुश्किल की मैं
Yes.
पीछे ही पड़े रहूंगा मूवी के
Correct,
एंड तक कि ये तो अब तो यार वो like she's dying and he's still like no love me
He's
back
like,
love
kiss
me
me
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
not a man child Imran Khan is not playing a man child
I don't think he can also.
he was quite a sweet
No,
guy.
he's never played a man. Apart from I Hate Love
I Hate
Stories,
Love
I don't
Stories.
think he's played a man child. Like even if you see his first film, I was obsessed with the first film, Jaane Tu
Jaane
Jaane Na.
Tu.
It was shot in my college.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Our
Your
college.
Yes,
college.
our college. Okay, and after so like you know how our college is.
Yeah,
It's like a little very heritage building. It's from the British Times and all of that. So we have very funny names that are given to like spots in college. I think every college has that.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a random, they're like these staircase intersections. We call them the Harry Potter
Potter
staircase
stairs.
because if you look from the top, they look like those staircases
Acha.
that change.
Hogwarts के, अच्छा,
Yeah.
the
So you
movie
call
looks
them the
like
Harry Potter. Like if you say, where are you seeing me? I'll see you at the Harry Potter
Potter
staircase.
stairs.
Like we talk like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then there are these trees which are maybe like this much. There are some 6-7 trees. We call them the woods. Okay.
Oh, these are all Harry Potter references.
No,
Woods
like
there's also a Harry
Woods
Potter
भी है Harry Potter
I
में
don't
नहीं,
know.
Forbidden
I'm just
Forest
saying
है.
random.
अच्छा,
random.
it's called the
They are
woods.
like these
हाँ.
random things. We say, okay, we're meeting at the woods.
Yeah.
I mean, we crack a joke on that. And you call 2x3 trees woods,
Yeah,
but we
There's
call
no
it the
greenery in
woods.
Xavier's.
So now, after Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na was shot, I swear we have spots saying that that's the Aditi song reference. Like we actually started using spots
But
like this.
they used our college very well. Huh? Most
Very
places
well
don't
they
use
use.
Xavier's
So
well.
when this
Bunny
film-
Bhanushali used it very well in Vaste,
Have
the
you
song.
seen this?
I have not seen
We are
this.
obsessed with this
I
song.
have not seen this.
Two drinks down, we are constantly listening to Dhwani Bhanushali
No, Nikita,
Vaste.
you have to watch this. Basically, in the library, there's one character who flashes another character in the library. This happens. What is the name of the song?
The Vaste by Dhwani Bhanushali.
Vaste, we will insert, we will insert.
Yeah, we have to put. Yeah, it's insane.
So she, in the
In the
library, she
library.
She
flashes.
flashes the
Yeah.
bad girl in college.
The
The bad girl
promiscuous
in
girl.
college who wants the hero just comes and does it this, and he's like whatever. Like she's Shilpa Shukla's.
I knew a lot of bad girls in college. None of them did this.
No one did this.
No one did this.
No.
No.
There were spots where they would take the boys to do all this. I'm
Very
sure you also know the
scandalous
spots. Yeah, very
spots.
scandalous
Very
spots.
scandalous
What are they called?
no.
We can't even
Morning
say it.
wood.
We'll get
This is
cancelled.
something I can't say on
We'll get
camera,
cancelled.
but yeah.
I'll
It's
tell you,
actually
I'll
like
tell
that.
you. It's very shady. to
Very
say
shady,
It's a-
very controversial,
No,
where
no.
people used to go to
Xavier
do shady
people know
stuff.
this.
Yeah,
Who-
Xavier
those
people
five
know
people who
this.
watch. Say na, why do you like Meri Pyari Bindu? Don't just name tell why.
I'll tell you why I like Meri Pyari Bindu. I like Meri Pyari Bindu because again it's a film. Oh my god, this is crazy. Meri Pyari Bindu is a film where Ayushmann and Parineeti
Don't end up together.
Don't end up together
I
again.
know this bit because there's a song in. I've seen that song lots of times when she's dancing in the rain with that black.
Mana ke hum
bindi.
yaar nahi.
Yeah.
Mana
yeah.
ke hum yaar nahi.
Again, a lovely song.
माना के हम यार
sang that.
Again a film where like there's a spark of a romance but like it never really properly fructifies. By the end of the film they're not together, and he's also like it's a bittersweet ending where he's like moved on and he sees her with her child and husband, and that's where the film ends.
Yeah.
And you're not in any way, like a lot of films now do it,
Yeah.
where they make the film with the idea that you have to hate the woman because she's not ended up with the guy. What Meri Pyari Bindu did was it was romantic, it was comedic, and the lengths was equal in both these things. Like you don't walk out thinking I like Ayushmann more than Parineeti in the
Right,
movie.
right.
Like it's not wo incel audience.
Yeah, it doesn't
incel
do that
audience
Ashik vibe ki बेचारे को KLPD types. It doesn't do
Oh,
that. It's
like-
very
right.
like
It's
right,
not
yeah.
a bhai ke
I'm
saath
going to
bura
watch
hua.
this film because I have
Burova.
no thoughts on this right now. I will watch this
But
film.
watch it,
Yes.
It's a
Strong record.
really good
Yes.
movie.
Strong record.
I
Yes.
watched it last year because Shantanu was so emphatically
मैं बार-बार
recommending it.
watch Meri Pyari Bindu, I
I
would
love
be
it.
like-
It would be one of my top favorites as well.
Yeah.
I also feel like there's this Varun Dhawan Alia Bhatt series.
I
right?
love
Yeah.
Badrinath
Humpty
ki Dulhania.
Humpty-
Badrinath is my outright.
You are a Badri fan?
I'm a full Badri fan.
I'm a Humpty guy.
I'm a Badri person because very recently we happened to watch Humpty and Badri together. Like one day in a gap of 2 days we watched the other one.
Yeah.
And I absolutely like when I was looking at it. Now there are all these questions, right? Like what's not working in films and all of that. Suddenly you watch this film and you're just like, everything is so nice. Like, it's funny in bits.
Yeah.
They're all looking great.
Yeah.
And when I mean like they're looking great, like it's like an overall thing.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it should
yeah,
not
yeah,
be,
yeah,
you should
yeah.
look like an Aishwarya Rai in
Yeah.
every frame. No.
Yeah.
It's like an overall thing.
Yeah.
They're performing great. They've got that UP, Madhya Pradesh,
Yeah, full,
Rajasthan
full.
combined accent. I don't know which exact belt it is.
Yeah.
That
No.
Jhansi and that middle.
नहीं वो
middle.
बीच में रखा है झांसी
Beach
exactly that
Jhansi
UP
and-
border.
Yeah, so they've done basically that.
गर्लफ्रेंड आज तक किसी को गर्लफ्रेंड बनाए हो तुम
हम कभी बनाना ही नहीं चाहते थे
अच्छा वो नहीं चाहती थी बनती भी नहीं तुमसे ना बहन
They've cracked the accent so correctly. This anglicized Hindi that we speak today, like I can't believe that you're saying that. Oh my god! Like I just
Spoken like DCA talent.
Please remove this.
Cannot hai.
I have to
Hold back.
control
Control,
myself.
आप जरा control.
No, but like really, it like really like makes me angry from inside. I'm just like, what happened to your Hindi?
Yeah.
Because I remember in my initial times when like I just started working, I used to see a lot of people speak with an accent in English, but they would go grammatically wrong. And my whole thing was कि तुमने accent तो सीख लिया लेकिन तुमने grammar क्यों नहीं सीखी पहले?
yeah,
ठीक है
yeah.
तो पहले तो grammar सीख लो तुम. And first just speak like speak it correct. accent is the last thing you should be bothered about. And now suddenly there's this Hindi accent which was not there earlier.
Yeah.
So now when you're watching films like Badri,
Yeah.
you're like, songs are great.
Yeah.
There's slow songs, there are romantic songs, there are dancing songs. They are all like what banger albums, especially
man.
Badri.
I like Shashank Khaitan in general.
Oh.
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari is
I
also
saw
hit.
it.
That's also good, but
Fun,
I
but
think
it's
for me,
zone.
Badrinath like tops it. I love, and I feel like that's Varun's element. Like I
Yeah,
want to see
yeah, yeah,
more
yeah,
of Varun just doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like I love watching
Like
Varun
the
Dhawan like
underdog
this.
who gets his love later. I feel
No,
like he should
because
do
he
that.
suddenly becomes like this cute puppy dog who wants to be loved.
Yeah.
He also
Enduring.
becomes funny.
Yeah.
He
Yeah,
does
yeah.
it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
so
yeah.
cute, yeah.
And he's got dramatic chops. He's got
Yes,
serious
he does,
dramatic
he
chops.
does, he does.
The Juk Juk Jio movies and all.
Very
Where
good.
Yeah.
they're doing the divorce bits or the
Their
troubled
scene is
marriage
very good
bits.
in that.
Yeah.
He's top
Yeah, yeah.
notch. Like
Kiara
he's
Varun.
someone who I think is as good a dramatic actor, if not better, than a comedic actor.
अगर मैं पैसे कमाकर घर चलाना चाहता हूँ तो मेरी को कैसे हुआ?
Oh.
October, Badlapur, every time he does something
You know, but
serious.
it's always more difficult to do comedy than
Yeah.
to do anything else.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, if at all, it's an emotional scene where, when you need to cry or something, trust me, it's much easier.
Yeah.
It's very easy to go into a zone. You can bring out tears. You
Yeah.
have other things to take tears out. You put
Yeah.
like a couple of drops of glycerine.
Yeah.
But when you have to do comedy, you want to make people laugh. It's the most
I'm
tricky
sure.
thing to do.
Yeah, I'm sure. Which is why, like in rom-coms, I feel like getting the balance of what is romantic and what is comedy is very tricky to do because you can lean very heavily into one zone.
Exactly. And also
Yeah.
the thing is, it's not sleazy comedy, right? Like
It's
all
all
of this that we
musty.
are talking about, it's all musty.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it's
Pun
making you
intended.
laugh. It's making you laugh in bits and pieces.
Yeah, yeah.
And at the same time, you're just not like feeling uncomfortable. It's not your
Yeah.
grand musty zone.
Yeah,
basically.
exactly.
Grand musty.
Exactly. Which is not romantic by any means.
So it's not like, it's,
Hardly
no
comedy
romance.
also. There's hardly any comedy also.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
seen the musties for some reason.
I've
I
seen the
don't know.
first one, only the first
The
one.
first one had some emotional core at least because the
Yeah,
wives and there was some
yeah,
infidelity,
yeah.
there were repercussions. Uske
Correct.
baad to they've escalated.
No, for me also, I feel like what started happening is in comedy today, what they've started doing is they've started using so much like sound effects. They'll use these absurd VFX things.
Bula, 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 bula.
Yeah, that's every time a Sardar comes, it's bula, 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 bula. It's either that
Yeah.
or it's harippa. Like there'll be one little background. and
I'm
harippa.
conditioned to say this if I
Yeah.
talk.
यही कर देती है कभी कभार if Sarkar walks in.
I have nothing else
यही
to
side से बोलो.
It's the least offensive.
It's like background music. No,
Yeah,
we're all
yeah,
filmy
yeah.
people here, so background music must go on.
So we've done K3G, Hum Tum, and you've given two solid
My-
Pariniti movies.
Pariniti movies.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I really want to also mention Jab We Met.
Of course.
Like,
Oh.
Jab We Met is,
Gold.
I mean,
Gold standard.
listen, Kareena was God.
Yeah.
Like, after that film, every chick wanted to dress like her, be
Yeah.
like
Be
her.
Yeah.
All of DU girls. All DU girls were dressing
Everyone.
like.
No,
all-
everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody wanted to dress
We
like
only
her.
saw DU girls.
No, everyone wanted to dress. I have bought so many harem pants after Jab We Met.
With long shirts.
Yeah, it was a thing. You wear
Yeah,
harem
yeah,
pants to college. So
And even he was a really good representation
yeah,
of a
he was
romantic
so cute.
hero. No?
But you know, now also like a lot of
Sweet.
people say, but like,
Yeah.
is your boyfriend, is your husband, a
Aditya?
is he an Aditya? Is he
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
green flag Aditya?
Yeah,
because he was such a green flag after
Yeah.
his.
For sure. Also, like,
Transformation.
Jab We Met did a flip, right? Typically in rom-coms, the guy is funny. Jab We Met, she's funny.
Yeah.
And that's a very rare to show a girl
She's
as
the
being
outspoken,
funny.
he's the balanced
He's the
voice
balanced,
of reason.
shy.
Yeah.
She's almost flirting with him first in a very like nonchalant, chill way. Right? She's
Correct.
like, how am I
Or
looking?
bhai
This,
bade
that,
handsome
whatever.
ho and all she's
Haan.
doing
Yeah.
for him.
Which is a huge flip. I don't think Bollywood doesn't do that
Also,
very
him
well.
coming to terms with his mother's relationship and all is very good. Like him,
Yeah.
him telling his mom it's okay that you left dad, you moved on to
Yeah.
someone else.
Yeah.
His emotional maturity. Once he falls in love with Kareena, he realizes that hey, my mom fell in love with someone. Yeah, it's completely
Correct.
okay.
No,
and
it
he
happens.
understands.
Also, if you see, like this pattern of showing that the main lead girl is very bubbly and she's like this, little Miss Sunshine all
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
time, has been a thing. But I feel like the way they made Kareena do it, it's so like it kind of just stands out. You
yeah.
know, suddenly you're just like, okay, every girl is just like, I'm a bit of Geet. Like
Yeah.
there's a bit of Geet. Every chick wants to relate to that.
अंदर आ गई हूँ मैं अब तो मेरा हाथ छोड़ दो इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ मैं
Everyone wanted that.
And also what
you know?
happens is she's not just that, right? Because in the second half, there's
Then
an
you see
arc
the other
where
side
she
of
is going
her.
through pain and hurt, and she's a lot more human. She's
Yeah.
not manic pixie then.
Correct.
She's finding a little bit, and then towards the end, there's a balance. She
Yeah.
has that
Manic
spark
Maturity,
in life.
then
yeah,
suddenly you
but she's
like
also lived life. She's not always high on energy. Like she's got some balance, which is nice. Jab we might solid top.
Yeah. Like a part
They
of me is
shouldn't
just like
remake it.
they should never touch
Don't
these
do this.
things.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Anshuman.
उसको बनने के लिए नहीं जाना है.
क्यों देखो मैं करने के kid?
Shahid Kapoor funniest line he's ever said in
I
Bollywood
love
is
it.
that
तू मना कर दे यार, तू
मना कर दे यार, तू बोल यार, नहीं जाना यार, तू मना कर दे यार, बोल दे नहीं
No,
जाना.
but that part when he goes, I laugh every time that comes. He's like, नहीं देख रहे मुझे करने के kid. क्यों देखो मैं करने के kid?
सच बात तो ये कि हम couples हैं.
Couples. In the end also, when she's like, हम बताएंगे, whatever, he's like, we should tell our parents. She starts running away ना, when
Yeah.
she's like train shooting.
रुको मैं भी आता हूँ.
साथ में बताएंगे, मिलके बताएंगे.
Yeah.
He was toxic character very early on shown in a movie who was rejected, not rewarded, which is rare. Usually.
Anshuman?
Yeah.
Anshuman was
He
there.
was not
He
rewarded
was
in that
almost
movie.
going to be rewarded,
Haan.
and then they
And
kind
then
of
she's
took it
like,
away from him.
"Toodles, not
But
you."
yeah, I think back in the day also they did reward toxic men.
Yeah,
That
all the
was-
time, yeah.
Not every time. Like if you see Tere Naam, poor Salman is like just.
I
Are you
love Tere
laughing?
Naam.
Why you
ये
laughing?
पागल है.
Why would you
पागल
laugh
है.
at his misery?
ये पागल है.
I have his
हाँ.
image
Where
sitting
is
in
that
the.
place? But where is that happening? In which
Tere Naam
era
is
is that?
amazing.
But where is that place?
राधे भैया.
No, where he ends up. He's in chains, guys. Please, that's which era is
Oh,
this?
wait 1 second. I think mental health institutions used to be deeply outdated.
Used to be,
They
Shahid.
used to
Not in the
change.
Yeah, they
2000s.
used to. That's how
2000 का था यार,
Trust
Delhi
me.
2000 में
Trust
one
me.
place got burnt down where people were chained and they died.
Oh.
True story.
2000s?
Yeah, the Abhas.
Not that-
अब हंस.
Very
Not
bad.
that I think Tere Naam made like a an impact on me.
नहीं मैं
I can't have this
लगने
conversation. I can't have this. Listen, it had great music.
लगा it's Himesh.
No, I'm talking about Tere Naam.
It's
Good
Himesh.
music. Yeah.
Good music.
Even like the title track.
It's Himesh debut. No, Himesh first
No,
album.
Himesh's
No, yeah,
debut
he's
is.
been around.
I think is it Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya? He did like a little bit in it, if I'm not
Oh.
wrong. I think so. You'll just check this fact.
we'll
If
check.
I'm wrong, then just remove this bit.
हाँ,
If I'm right, then keep it.
We'll keep with वो ऑडियंस एंगेज हो जाते हैं लोग. They're like नहीं actually it was that. वो ऐसा 10 लोग बोल
You know,
रहे
how we
हैं.
discussed like I'll change topic because something came to me right now. I'm like, we discuss a lot of rom-com heroes. What about actresses? Who's your favorite rom-com actress?
I think for me it was a mix of Preeti Rani.
Preeti Rani.
Like somewhere it started from Pia Pia, like like in the towers dancing. Another
Which sisters do this?
they were not even sisters, but yeah,
It's better than
the
Ailey Rayleigh.
stepsisters.
Which sister does
they were not
Ailey Rayleigh?
stepsisters.
There was something-
She was some manager
Oh yeah,
worker's
she's Paresh
daughter.
Rawal's daughter.
Yeah.
She's Paresh Rawal's daughter.
Muneem ji.
Correct.
Yeah.
Traditional Muneem ji जो
Muneem
होते
ji's how the
Muneem
house
जी की बेटी.
where they have adopted the daughter and
Yeah.
like the daughter's like
She
yeah.
lives with them only.
Yeah,
She calls
correct.
him dad and all also.
Yeah.
She has 2 dads. She has 2.
Like Gopi Kishan by that kid.
You know, this movie has Shah Rukh Khan also.
Yeah, for a bit he
Yeah,
comes.
yeah, he's playing
suddenly
that
like
strange.
मेरी बीवी है वो मेरी बीवी है.
He's
I
not
remember
okay.
this. I remember
But in
this.
the end, they land her up. They land Rani Mukherjee with Shah Rukh Khan.
मैंने नहीं देखी है फिल्म.
क्या बात
हर
This is
दिल जो
not-
प्यार
हर दिल
करे
जो
It's
प्यार-
got
Is this a
such bad
surrogacy
news.
film?
Listen.
The one where
That
Salman
चोरी
Khan.
चोरी चुपके चुप.
No.
Sorry, I got confused.
This
हाँ,
is
नहीं.
एक गरम चाय की
हाँ,
प्याली
प्याली
हो.
हो.
It's that film. It's got some great
ये
music.
वाली
It's
नहीं
got
देखी
this. It's
मैंने.
got one more.
साथ में देखेंगे.
It's got one more song which is very famous.
हर दिल जो प्यार
No, not this
करेगा.
one. There's
That's
Pia
my
Pia.
Bollywood.
There is Garam Chai Ki, and there's one more song.
That's
He's
one
like a
where he's
musician.
dancing with
Yeah, Aaye Jaye.
Preeti Zinta, na? Where he's आते जाते जो मिलता. I shouldn't sing.
Oh my
तुमसा लगता है. तुमसा लगता है.
And Sallu dance, a full Sallu dance in that. हम तो
Yeah, he does that. She's wearing polka dots. No, I
Very cute.
remember. Very
She's
cute.
very cute.
Very
She's
cute.
very
Yeah.
This we have to do a screening.
Yeah, we
How
will
to show me.
do.
ये movie दिखा
It's a
दे,
very
मेरे को मैंने नहीं
entertaining
देखी.
movie.
It's an entertaining
Yeah,
film.
Oh.
Yeah, you
Anu
know,
Malik is in the movie also.
yeah, because he's done
He's
that.
the music
Ek
director.
Garam Chai Ki
I can't believe the head bob. I can't believe that is a head bob for Anu Malik. There's a guy.
It comes naturally. Listen, in school, everybody used to be banging their.
Yeah.
You know, he's taken the song "We Will Rock."
We will
Yeah,
rock you.
yeah.
It's that
It's that beat, no?
No. Original is this.
Garam
Dum Dum
Chai
Chai
Ki
is
They
original.
took him.
Yeah,
They took
100%.
his song.
I'm team Anu Malik.
But we are
I have
here
one
for
more-
Rani Preeti
I
as
have-
a combo.
She likes both.
No, I'm saying as not
We
as a
grew up.
As
combo.
girls, in
I'm
the
saying in
rom-com leading
rom-coms.
girls.
Like if you see that entire period, like from Jhoom Barabar Jhoom,
They did
your
this.
your Kal Ho Na Ho,
Yeah.
Tara Rampam, Salam Namaste,
Yeah.
Hum Tum. All of these films had these two
Yeah,
people.
I have. I think Anushka Sharma I really liked in rom-coms. I feel like that's a genre.
But she didn't do many.
Band
Band Baja is
Band
technically.
Baja.
Ladies versus Ricky Bell.
Okay, and
उसमें परिणीति
First half of
मैं
Air
सिर्फ
Dil है
परिणीति. I'm this is a
First half
परिणीति
of Air
fan
Dil है
episode.
मुश्किल. I don't know.
First half of
And
Wedding.
that's
She
not
plays the
rom-com.
funny girl
Jab
in
Harry Met
Patiala
Sejal,
House.
Jab
I
Harry-
love if somebody asks me a flop film you secretly love,
हाँ.
Harry Met Sejal.
I love Jab Harry Met
love
Sejal.
Harry
I
Met
keep talking-
Sejal.
That can you
People
explain
judge me.
yourself a
It
little?
is
bit?
such a nice
Can
film.
you stop it?
I don't
That
understand.
film,
Listen,
Harinder Nehra, he cries when he thinks about his. Oh,
listen,
there's a-
I think it's one of SRK's like best
I
performances.
fully agree.
If I was on any jury, people are going to say, thank God you're not. I would give him an award for it today.
I would also give. He is amazing.
For
And क्या album
more
है?
than anything, songs.
सफर,
Yeah,
घर,
but-
यादों में.
Guys,
रोला
story-
पे गया।
रोला
थोड़ा
पे गया.
story-
पे गया।
फुर is a diplo
फुर
track.
खाली
there.
है जो घर मेरा.
हाँ, घर.
Then that and even the
It's
other
when
one.
I'm sad. When I want to cry
That
at home,
other
I have a
one- same here,
playlist.
same here.
I
I have a crying
I have a
playlist.
tears playlist.
I have a crying playlist,
And I also
yeah.
have a Shanu is alone and wants to be left alone playlist.
That's
No,
the name
I
of
have
the
a playlist
very
called
long.
Just. It's just
Oh,
called Just.
JLT type of a vibe.
Yeah, it's just like if I'm traveling, I play Just so that I can just like just.
But wait, the reason you're like Jab Harry Met Sejal
There's
is
also
Shah Rukh
Yaadon
Khan.
Mein.
You're like Shah Rukh Khan
If
in it.
Anushka Sharma had dialed down the accent just, and that also is, I think, the director.
Her accent came and went.
थोड़ा अगर उसको थोड़ा टोन डाउन
No, it
करते
kept coming and going, but I'm saying in terms of like the moments and the emotion. I don't care. It's a silly ring they are looking for. It's silly.
It's very
Also,
Paulo
I just found
Coelho,
it
very
more-
alchemist
Yeah, I
type.
don't
He
care.
took one quote, he made
But
it
I
into
am with them.
तुम जो ढूंढ रहे हो तुम्हारे पास ही
Exactly.
था.
I am with them. You're looking for the ring. I'm with you. I'm with you in the
I
film.
have nothing to say to this guy.
You go eat a panki at Som because this is the.
I want to know if Shrimai like Jab Harry Met Sejal.
We have the
I want
biggest
to
Shah
know
Rukh
if
Khan
she
fan.
liked
Our producer is the biggest Shah Rukh
Yeah,
Khan fan.
she
Really,
might
do you
Jab
like
Met
Harry Met Sejal?
it. Oh my god.
She said yeah.
guys,
She
you
said
need
yeah.
help. You
Very
need
good.
help.
No, it's
Okay.
such a good film, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
on
watch
it.
it if it's coming. I love
Over
it.
zero.
Of course.
Over
Zero
zero.
is not a rom-com
Zero
also.
or rom
But मैं तो overall
अच्छा,
I'm saying
MI,
from all
Anushka
the
Sharma.
of the SRK films that didn't do
I
well,
think
it's
Zeros
my
are my
favorite.
least favorite films, I would say.
Haan,
Yeah,
of his.
Why did it? Yeah. Also, the first half when I saw was very exciting.
First half is good, second half is random.
No. I love Pardes of Shah Rukh. Like that's another one of my top favorites of
haven't
Abhi,
Shah
seen
Rukh.
it.
Abhi, I was just
Yeah,
telling.
yeah,
I was just
yeah.
telling
Again,
Mr. Mathan.
music is just oh my god.
And Apurva
Though there are
Mehotri
lots of things to
dancing.
fight
Can I say
about
mean
right
thing?
now.
I'll say mean thing.
Yeah, now say.
I feel like if it didn't have Mahima Chaudhary, I would have watched it.
There was nothing wrong with my matcha.
There's a lot of papa in that.
Seen it only yet.
Papa,
Papa!
Papa,
Papa!
Mahima Chaudhary is set in the same universe in Pardes that Aishwarya Rai is set in Tal. It's like born to like they're in a village. There's some type of
They both are also wearing that white kurta.
Subhash Ghai
with-
heroines.
It's a
He does this.
Subhash Ghai.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
how thinking
But he
had.
makes his heroines look so nice, yeah.
course,
Like
yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, they
yeah,
both
of course.
Tal also. I love how Tal was also the phase when Shamak became huge. Everybody started going to Shamak classes because of Tal.
Dil to
Yeah,
pagal
yeah.
hai, Tal.
Tal,
was
yeah,
there.
Pagal hai,
same
Dil To
period.
Pagal
Dil to
hai.
Pagal was 99 and Tal was I think
Same
2000.
time, wahi ek do
Same
saal ke
area,
andar
yeah,
se
same
hua.
area. So suddenly Shamak became huge. It was
Yeah.
like, what are you doing with Shamak?
Yeah. Dance of Envy.
yeah.
Okay, cool. One thing that I wanted to discuss was, you know how everything we've discussed is definitely nostalgia movies, right? Like these are movies we grew up on.
Correct.
Nowadays, somehow we're not able to make good rom-coms, and
Yeah.
that could be for multiple reasons. But if you all had to pick or explain why you guys think we aren't able to make good rom-coms today, what is your diagnosis of it? I have my answer for this.
I have a couple of things that come to my head. I feel like one is I have an issue. It's a very random issue, but it's I have an issue with the cinematography. I think we've sucked out the colors from our films.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we've sucked out the brightness. It's
Yeah.
like every Indian wedding is now pastels and white. Okay, where are our reds
Yeah.
and pinks and
Yeah.
greens and like Maharashtrian weddings were green
Yeah,
and
yeah.
North Indian weddings were like
Yeah.
red and pink. Where are those colors?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've really sucked out. It really
Yeah.
like pains me to see white weddings, and I feel like
Yeah.
that's also something that we see in films. It's like
Yeah.
slightly dull. That's one thing. So it doesn't stay with you.
Hmm.
Secondly, I feel also everything that we make today, the concentration, like how we are saying, right, that we should put this clip up because now there'll be engagement in comments. It works for this, but when you're creating something like a film, a song, you can't do it that
Yeah.
इसका एक hook निकलेगा and इस पे reels बनेंगे और
Yeah.
वो trend होगा. The reason why
Yeah.
old songs are trending on reels is because they were not made with this intention. Suddenly you have a random song from
Yeah.
90s, 2000s, suddenly starts trending.
Authenticity.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I feel like
Yeah.
that intention that you made it with कि ट्रेंड करते हैं इसको, ये ट्रेंड होना चाहिए, अब इसका हैशटैग यूज करो, that has
Yeah.
really gone.
Yeah.
And there is also, I mean, as an actor, I should not be saying it. Also, I'm a huge cheerleader for subtlety. But at the same time, I think कुछ ज़्यादा ही subtlety हो गई है. Like I miss a little bit of overacting and I miss a little bit of
ज़्यादा
drama.
mumblecore acting हो गई ना आजकल.
Yeah, तो like I'm just like थोड़ा drama करने दो. मतलब
Yeah.
I'm not saying go मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ level,
Oh,
but
go.
like, but I'm saying like come a
Yeah.
little and
Yeah.
like, you know, do a little drama.
At least कुछ hota is a good this thing.
Yeah, all
You
of
know?
these, all
थोड़ा
of these.
heightened
Like
but
when
also-
Anjali is doing her drama and
Yeah.
stuff, like I am fully with her, right?
Yeah, yeah. He's
Yeah.
your best friend, yeah.
Your best friend, yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm saying these things don't happen, and like that's what happened. Like I think because the last film I saw was Badri when I was watching this, or even like recently I too saw two very embarrassing films because I thought I'm coming on this podcast, so like I should sit and watch films. So I saw Mujhse Dosti Karoge and I saw Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. Now these are not hit films, okay?
Yeah.
But they're not hit
No,
films.
they're not. I was worried
Yeah.
about Mujhse Dosti is a Kunal Kohli film.
Yes.
Yes, it's a Kunal.
yes.
His first hit film was Hum Tum, I
Hum
think.
Tum.
Hum Tum
But
Fana.
do you know, there was even in spite of them not being hit films,
Yeah.
music was nice, especially for Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. Like it has
Great
really good
album.
songs.
Abhi tak you can
Oh,
listen.
Shad Ali's sense of music
It's
is
so
awesome.
good.
Even Kill Dil, all his
Yeah,
films are
and
like that.
in spite of that, like, you know, when you say it, right now my eyes are shut, I can already think of Mr. Bachchan dancing in that coat of his.
Feather
You know, it
hat.
comes into my head.
Yeah.
The
I have
thrifted
Lara Datta
coat.
wearing that Ticket to Hollywood
She's
dress.
very hot in that movie.
Okay, so
Kiss
you...
of Love.
Yeah, Kiss of Love. Say, you
Yeah,
have the
yeah,
red and
yeah.
silver
And
combination.
Bolna
Combination.
Halke Halke bhi tha yaar album
Yeah,
mein,
that's
same
such
album.
a good song. And even with Mujhse Dosti Karoge, where she's wearing the dangris and saying,
Yeah,
Aaj
yeah,
ke
yeah.
ladke, that
I
she's
tell
She's
you.
only.
She's cool. No, but I'm saying, you know, you remember these things.
100%.
My problem is today, you're not remembering things.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you're just not taking back something with you.
Yeah.
I don't know,
Yeah.
just like as a Bollywood film
Yeah.
fan, it really like breaks
Bring
my
it
heart.
back. Bring it
Like
back.
today, if you are called to a Bollywood theme party, tell me in like the last 5 years, whose outfit will you
Nothing.
take? You're going to go back to previous years.
Shararat.
I would
But
go.
it's not going to sit.
I would go. I would go as Rahman Dakat.
Rahman Dakat, you will do.
Probably.
I
yeah.
mean, now it might. Okay.
With a hat on.
He doesn't have
Now
a
it
hat
might
to do.
work. I think I'll go as Hamza. I love his hair. Yeah. The
Hamza,
volume,
yeah.
his hair is so good. I don't know who's done it.
Kafi conditioning and like good one.
बहुत करना
He's
पड़ेगा.
having a good hair day every day in Layari.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
how. He's
Who's
having a
doing
good
it?
hair. We'll find out. We'll find out.
I have my reason also.
Yeah.
Slightly contro reason, okay, guys? So like feel uncomfortable. It's completely okay. I'll say.
We will feel uncomfortable.
I feel like in a rom-com, you need to look and feel relatable. Because like, I'm watching a rom-com like, oh, I see myself in this girl.
I will
see
fully
myself,
agree
है
with
ना?
you.
Now
Yeah.
everyone looks AI generated. I'm
Yeah.
like, you look too perfect for me to
Yeah.
like see myself in you. I don't
Yeah.
see myself in you. And you look the same in every movie. So then how
Kajol
can
Rani,
I...
Kareena were never like that.
They
no?
were
Not
not.
at all.
Not
If
at all.
If it's Preeti in a movie, you know what character she's playing. If it's Rani, you know what she's doing. Now I feel like everyone is playing each other, and A, they don't look at all like you look. So like I look. So like it doesn't work.
Yeah.
And like two, I'm like, music is a main reason because they're only doing remakes of songs. Nah? I'm like, where's the OG soundtrack which relates? Like
Also,
when I
when
think
if
of
a
Hum
song
Tum-
is good, don't remake it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let it be.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Like, don't touch it. I really like. I was very tempted to say this. I'm finally saying it aloud. But like, don't do that.
Yeah.
And I totally get your AI thing.
Yeah.
Because the problem is we are so stuck in perfectionism. Like, I feel like one of the reason why everybody loves Sayara is because the girl and the boy look so relatable.
Relatable.
They are not the way they are speaking. Have you heard their dialect? She's not speaking an accent in Hindi.
yeah.
I love that.
I love
She
Sayara.
looks so fresh. You know, there are
Yeah.
parts, I mean, I'm getting into too many details because
No,
maybe
go
I
for it.
saw it like that. But there are scenes in which, like, they've not filled her eyebrows.
Oh, really?
She has slight. And can I tell you, that's
Good,
the
yeah.
beauty of the film. That is the beauty of the film. Like,
That
not.
could be a very subliminal reason why people related. Because actually, when I
No,
watch
when
other
you
people,
get
I'm
into
like, I
it,
don't
this is what
understand
it
who
is.
looks
And
like
if you
this.
see, they've not purposely given her clothes ki she's wearing random kurtis
Kurtas.
with denim.
Yeah. Jab bhi main type
Yeah,
white
that is
kurtis,
why you
dresses and all.
relate because
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
looking real, no?
Everyone doesn't need to have six-pack abs, no. Like if you're
Correct.
Yes, Chandru, we
मैं तो
support.
बोल रहा हूँ मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं
No, we'll have-
मैं तो
we'll
कहता
do.
हूँ no one should have
we'll make.
हम बनाएंगे
हम बनाएंगे.
at some point.
But yeah, I think that's a huge reason. Because when
Yeah.
I watch like Hum Tum and all, I feel like I understand her character, Riya, and it's very sweet and
Interesting.
cute.
And it's not like she's looking great.
Of course, she's beautiful.
Yeah, she looks
but she
so
looks like
good.
a human being.
Correct,
is
she
what
looks
I'm
like a
saying.
human.
She
I know
doesn't
what
look
you're saying.
like she's a mannequin.
Yeah.
Now you say why?
My reason for rom-coms not being around is I think R&D related. In the early 2000s, the multiplex boom happened in India, which is when PVR and Inox opened a lot of chains.
Screens, yeah.
Single screens ki jagah, you could completely release films in multiplexes, which is the only time when Saif's solo career trajectory took off, because that's the time he became a single screen leading man. Hits that he delivered were there. Until then, he was kind of struggling to find his
He
footing.
was always in combination.
Multi-starrers
Yeah,
or whatever,
multi-starrers.
either Akshay Kumar or Hum Saath Saath Hai,
Yeah.
Dil Chahta Hai. Multiplexes opened, he became a star in multiplexes
Yeah.
for 4 or 5 years till Tata Sky Showcase and Dish TV came, where suddenly this audience was like, ये वाली multiplex की movies मैं घर पे showcase पे देख
Tata
लूंगा,
Sky पे तो आ ही जाएगी.
showcase पे आ जाएगी. So
sad.
movies again pivoted to single screen centers with
Yeah.
Wanted and Dabangg and all,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
Saif again was struggling because Bullet Raja, Hum Shakals and all was not working
Not
for
working.
him till
Sacred
Netflix
Games
came
happened.
along.
Sacred Games
So like
happened.
every spike in technology, Saif Ali Khan becomes relevant again.
Reinvents himself.
Which is why I think
I don't think even Saif has thought through this.
We will tell him.
I'll send him a voice note after
send
this.
this reel to him.
He'll
We'll
no,
cut
send him a
He'll
voice
do
note
this
saying, listen, I think your career graph is this.
Yeah. So whenever an AI movie is made or VR movie is made,
Saif
जो भी
will
अगला
invent
advent होगा technology में,
You will
Saif
get
Ali Khan
affected,
again,
good or bad, but तुम affect होने
you are
वाले हो.
there. You will spearhead every technological innovation that will happen.
yeah.
And I feel it's interesting because even post that, some multiplex hits have existed. I feel like a lot of like your Viredi weddings or a lot of some of these.
There was Tu Jhuti Mein Makar and there was...
हाँ, but तू झूठी
some of
मगर
them-
फिर भी चल रहा है single screens में. People are
Yeah,
still going.
yeah.
I feel like Wake Up Sid and all, if you look at. are-
Jawani
There was Love Aajkal. How are we forgetting Love
Love
Aajkal?
Aajkal.
Love
Yes.
Aajkal, yeah. Love
Again,
Aajkal,
Saif film.
Cute.
primarily multiplex hits.
Yeah.
Like all of these are like no one in a single screen is going to watch us. Like how single screens have Bhai, they have Shah Rukh, they have Amir,
You're
they have
talking about the this which is that theater?
Chandan, Getty
Your
Galaxy.
Getty Galaxy.
Getty
and
Galaxy
Chandan
पुराना
and-
चंदन हो गया.
Correct.
दिल्ली में
Regal
Regal.
भी अभी multiplex बन गया ना?
हाँ,
नहीं.
दिल्ली
बन
में
गया ना?
प्लाजा, रीगल,
New
whatever,
Excelsior,
अम्बा,
etc.
लोनी.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे या तो इमरान हाशमी works, you know, Emmy Bhai works,
Yeah.
Salman Bhai works,
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan. Saif's very interesting how he became a star in all of this. Even Imran Khan, I'm pretty sure, didn't have single screen pull.
Yeah, no.
Was a multiplex star itself. So
Yeah.
now you have to reinvent yourself in like OTT originals, unless you really have unless you're an Ahan Pandey, who will break through in his first film and like just manage to
But
hit
that's what I'm
smaller.
saying. There were some things that they did right, which is why he managed to break through.
He's
Music
good
also,
also.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
a big
I'm a big Ahan Pandey fan.
I'm bullish on him.
Same,
I'm saying
same.
Don 3 बना दो.
I am.
मैं तो दे दो.
No, I'm a
Hello.
big Ahan Pandey and Aneet fan. Like both of
I
them.
like Aneet also.
Yeah,
Aneet
and
also has
both of
some
them I
crazy films
really
lined
like.
up, no?
Like if you ask me out of the young girls who've come and all, I'm a big Aneet fan that ways. Yeah.
Aneet, we've had a fight on an episode because I am Sayara Paglu.
Yeah.
She's
I
not
didn't
Sayara
enjoy
fan.
Sayara.
मैं तो आईवी ट्रिप लगाने वाला था.
Actually, you were that pugly.
नहीं, I really liked it.
No,
I like
cried.
Mohit Suri. I'm a big Mohit Suri
I
fan.
तो cried and
I cried.
I cried quite a bit in the end. Like I was just like, ऐसा. Like,
I love Mohit Suri. I
I'm
like
sure.
Avarapan 2. I'll be there first day, first show, like crying.
That's not him, but.
It's Nitin Kakkad,
It's
no?
Nitin Kakkad.
But I'll go for Mohit Suri.
Oh,
He
yeah,
made the first
yeah,
one.
of course,
I'll go
of
for
course.
him. But
Yes.
yeah, Nitin
Okay.
Kakkad is doing it.
Okay.
The Jawani Janeman Mitro guy.
But Mohit Suri also has great sense of music.
Of course.
Like his films are
course.
just
Without the
and
music,
you
it
know, like
wouldn't.
funnily,
Yeah.
there's always an unpopular track from his films.
Yeah.
If you notice, which doesn't get famous, but I end up liking that the
Wo
most.
which
Like
is-
even
When you're
Sayara,
just
I
kids.
like Tum Ho To the most.
Barbad, okay, हाँ.
No, I like Tum Ho
Don't
To the
even know
most.
it. I don't even know.
Yeah,
नहीं,
that's
आज
what I'm saying.
चलेंगे.
See, it's the unpopular track. It's my favorite track from the film. Yeah, it's cool.
Okay,
it's
okay,
cool.
this we are
So
Sayara.
do we have a... do we
I have a question again.
Yeah.
Because I have nothing to say about Sayara.
you
Once
are-
I learn what I think truly and articulate, I will talk about it. Right now, I feel like my
The
opinion.
world, the India is not
I'm not-
waiting for your
I'm
opinion on
waiting for-
Sayara Sanjay Pandey.
No, India wants to know. India wants to know.
Wait for it. Okay,
Yeah.
no. But I think like rom-coms also taught us something about love, na?
Right.
This is sweet section of the episode. What did rom-coms teach you about love? That you still feel like it
I
informs
think
your idea?
that way I don't have nice things to say because rom-coms taught us about delusional love.
That's true.
Until reality hits you, until this new behavior of millennials start hitting you, where you're just like, wait, फिल्मों में ये तो नहीं देखा था, happy ending हो ही नहीं रहा है. So, yeah, I meant like you're.
Yeah.
Sure,
No. That's it.
sure,
No one
sure.
said anything.
Sure.
No one said
This was only
इसकी
a
शक्ल को देखो ही मत. You look here.
that's
Avoid
why I
this.
was
This
like,
is the con.
Shall I? No, okay, that's I'm clarifying.
She's the bad influence.
Okay,
You
yeah.
know.
Okay.
हाँ, you were saying.
Yeah, my love story is, like pleasant, happy ending.
No happy endings.
Yeah.
Pleasant
No happy
endings.
endings is what we are.
Pleasant happy ending. Happy ending is a movie in which Seth was there.
I know.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Good
did.
title.
Yeah. It has some very funny songs. songs.
Great songs.
Govinda is also
It has a song called
Mile Ya
Pussycat.
Mile.
हाँ,
Oh,
It has
Paji
Milya
Tusi,
Milya,
Paji Tusi, such a pussycat.
Oh, God.
And then it also has Dacho Sare Jeep Hadke. It has some great songs.
Great Govinda cameo.
Yeah.
So you're saying it taught you not nice.
No,
things.
that's not so. My issue is look at SRK. I am the hugest SRK fan. But listen, because of him, we girls are just delusional.
True.
Okay. And now the problem is we've all got into this space where, like, you know, you're not ready for today's world. And you're just like, but हमारी love story तुम्हारी वैसी
का
क्यों
है?
नहीं हो रही है? I know, where is Rahul, Raj, Rohan? किधर है ये लोग? Classic names, no? Malhotra, Kapoor, Singh,
Rich
Aryan.
names, huh?
Raichand.
Rich names.
Raichan,
When I was a
किधर
kid, I
है
was
ये
like, I
लोग?
want to marry either a Malhotra or Oberoi.
Oberoi, yeah. Like, I'm
Rich
just saying,
names.
Yeah.
where are
Vicky,
these?
Vicky
Where-
Oberoi.
Vicky.
Vicky Oberoi
He's
was a
fuckboy.
bad boy
Vicky
name.
Oberoi is a fuckboy name.
Yeah, it was a bad boy name.
Vicky Oberoi Group of Industries का इकलौता वारिस Vicky
There is a
Oberoi.
real
Vicky
Vicky
Very
Oberoi.
safe. It's very safe, young, safe.
There
Yeah,
is a real
bratty.
Vicky Oberoi who's actually the head of Oberoi.
Oh, acha, there is a Vicky
He's
Oberoi.
married to Gayatri
Of
Joshi.
course, of
Oh.
course.
There is a Vicky Oberoi.
Of course, of
Yeah.
course, of
Oh,
course.
oh, that's where she is.
Yeah. I miss
I'm a
her. I
Swades
miss
guy.
her. Yeah,
Oh, she's
I
married
really
to
miss
Vicky
her.
Oberoi only.
Yeah. I miss her. She's best friends with Sonali Bindre. I don't know why I know
Gayatri
this.
Joshi?
They have like a vibe.
मतलब tall girls का कोई community होगा.
I wish I was part of that community. I'm
Gayatri
not.
Joshi friend
No, I'll
group.
tell you I'll tell you what I learned. Okay, this is थोड़ा flip of what Nikita is saying. I feel like I learned प्यार दोस्ती है. Legit, I learned that not because you fall in love with your best friend. That wasn't my takeaway. The takeaway is more like these.
You have to be friends with your friend, with the guy you're in love
It's
with.
way more important
Yeah,
than
yeah.
grand gestures.
I
Like
think
the-
that I may have not learned from the films.
Oh,
Yeah, I think that I just life taught me that.
That's your takeaway.
hum tum taught me that you build friendship and then you fall
Then
in
wait
love.
for that person's spouse to.
To
What have you learned?
Kill the spouse.
What?
Kill the
पहले banter बनाओ, फिर Abhishek Bachchan will die.
Then
and
that
then you,
friend will turn from a red flag to a green flag.
then
That is to do grant. You have to
बाल
grant
काट के
that.
ऐसा satchel bag डाल के पहुंच जाओ.
Yeah.
Oh, such a londa.
I'm a lot. Don't say that. Hum Tum is so sweet. There's
Yeah.
a very nice scene in Hum Tum where they're sitting. There are two very nice scenes in Hum Tum. When Abhishek Bachchan passes, like he's not there anymore, and Saif Ali Khan meets her in Paris again, okay? And he doesn't know how to console her. He's like, I don't know what to say. And there's a very sweet montage of them just walking in silence.
Yeah, I know.
And he's trying to say
And
something.
then he just kind of leaves her, drops her home, and then
and she's
goes
like,
back.
thank you for saying what you didn't say
Yeah,
or couldn't
yeah.
say.
Kuch
It's very
baatein bina
sweet.
kahe- I know that
Oof,
scene.
Full crying was happening. I really
Dub
yeah.
file went missing
Yeah.
on that.
So don't ruin the scene, yeah.
No, the other scene is nice, na? The
The
film
other
fair
scene
scene
is
of the
also
year.
very sweet.
तो होटल में बात कर रहे होते हैं.
Yeah. You know when she's like, अगर कुत्ते और टॉमी के बाद मेरा नाम
Yes,
लिया,
yes,
what
yes.
chemistry,
yes.
dude, that
was
scene
a
has.
very
yeah.
sweet scene.
My takeaway from Bollywood on love has been that you find someone when you're young and you fall in love. It's from Satya.
Okay,
I think Satya is a good life lesson on
Yeah,
love.
yeah.
That when you're young, you'll find someone and you're attracted to them and you're drawn to them, and it's usually
Yeah.
when you're in college, and then you'll meet, and then
Yeah.
you get married, and then you learn what actual partnership means.
Right.
Because I feel like that's when the actual arguments start.
Correct,
And
correct.
even if you fall in love and you're drawn to each other and attracted to each other, and you get married and you found the person of your life, it'll take another 5 to 10 years to minimum completely comprehend what this person wants and to be a true partner to
Why do I
them.
feel like your marriage is telling you
Shreya.
all this and not
Shreya.
Satya में होता है ये Satya का
I
story.
don't think
This is
is
Shreya.
Bollywood
Let's shout
films.
out to my wife
Yeah,
Shreya. But
I
मैं-
feel like this is.
We've been together 14 years.
Wow.
We dated for 7 years, married for 7.
Wow.
And I feel like we feel like the best era. We were not like, oh, जब हम college में थे, that was the best part of our romance.
Right.
I think मैं तो बोलता हूँ अभी है. She's the complaining only.
Very good.
She's running away with Akanksha.
I'm trying to woo Shreya.
She's actually quite vulgar around
Yeah.
Shreya.
But I was going to ask, who's the Shamita Shetty in this? You know when she's doing the item song? Arey,
Which
Satya,
movie are we
bro.
talking about? Oh, that
Satya.
one.
What's that song?
हाँ.
Mahi.
This is the movement.
She's wearing a white top.
No,
yeah,
mind-blowing
yeah,
Mahi
yeah.
नहीं है.
Hey, not
No,
Mahi,
no, no.
something.
Chori,
Chori. Thank you, Shiva.
She's
Chori,
a sandal
chori.
wearing a white with
Yeah,
like a
yeah,
bluish
yeah.
bikini top. Yeah, I
They have a
remember
very
it.
big fight after that. He's fully going for it. He's gone and danced.
He's
in
gone and
Goa.
done like some aggressive dancing.
Very
with her.
aggro
And
dancing.
Vivek is also an Enthu dancer.
He's a good
na?
dancer.
Yeah.
He's a good
Enthu.
dancer.
Enthu is strong.
Good also. He's
No,
strong.
that was a great film. Yeah. Also, it had like done so well.
It's one of my favorite movies of all
Yeah.
time.
chalte chalte weak version of same movie.
There's too much crying. Yeah.
Too much
And
crying.
he's too much of. He's too bad.
He's too
in it.
aggressive.
He's
For
too
me-
bad
for my
in it,
energy,
dude.
he's too aggressive.
Yeah. He's too mean. In
So do you want to? We've got a call from Shimoy that we have to wrap
to
it. So
wrap
should we
over,
do
Shimoy.
one final rom-com recommendation?
One
each?
rom-com reco,
One
let's do.
recommend rom-com.
Like an
recommend.
unpopular rom-com.
Yeah.
Some sidey one.
Not a sidey one, yeah.
Huh.
I'll go a good one. I
Which
think,
are-
I think the world should go watch Harry Met Sejal.
Oh dear
Whoa.
lord.
Please
good.
go watch it. Please
We've
go
got a
watch it.
job,
I have so
Harry.
many emotions attached to that film, yeah.
Okay.
Don't judge me.
I'm
This
with
is
you
the
on
hill
it.
both of you will die on.
जब
And
Harry
I will
Met
be
Sejal में
standing
अकेले,
outside and
बस हम
laughing
दोनों
at
हैं.
you. Yeah, there's no one else.
Okay, you're very
my-
cool ना हमारी मूवी पर shade मार दिया.
I really want
अपना
to hear
बताना,
yours.
अपना बोलना.
I really want to hear
अपना
yours
बोलना.
now.
I'll tell. You won't be able to say anything to this. I think Main Prem Ki Diwani was a very fun movie. Romantic and comedy. Unintentionally comedic. It's great. I love it.
Their one reaction is in 5x. It's basically
I won't say
I
anything
love
because
it.
I'm friends.
Yeah,
I work,
it's a great movie.
I like the family.
See, what is
I
it?
work,
It's good. I think it has
listen.
elements of a
I
good
watched
rom-com.
that film so much. Like I love Main Prem Ki
Maybe
Diwani.
I love anything.
I love
that they
every
do.
character. Have you seen that guy who just like goes like "Baisa
I haven't
bolta hai"?
understood. He's Bappi Lahiri in that.
He's
Who
not
is he
Bappi
being?
Lahiri.
Who is he
He's this
being
dude
in
who's
that?
in a lot of films though.
Yeah. So
He's
yeah,
not Bappi.
that's my
What's
favorite. Now
wrong
you can't
with
say
you?
anything, so now
Please
you can
cut
say.
this part.
My
It's like-
favorite, my rom-com that I recommend to everyone to watch
Say something you didn't say
is
today.
Ruslan Mumtaz starrer MP3 मेरा
I
पहला
love
पहला प्यार.
MP3.
I want and एक साइड में फ्री में ले लो रूल्स प्यार का सुपर हिट फॉर्मूला स्टारिंग मिलिंद सोमन. Take MP3. These are rom-coms before rom-coms started
Were
in
called
India.
rom-coms,
Yeah,
yes.
this is proper.
MP3 is too cute.
So the great song. It has that girl Hazel and
Hazel.
Ruslan Mumtaz in
Yes,
it. I
yes.
remember seeing it and thinking कि मेरी स्कूल वाली गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ मैं ये one day she will go to Paris and I will go. But
Dude, it's
only
too cool, it's
it
too
was too
cool.
cute.
The
Yeah,
first
yeah.
time I saw a movie with a boy was MP3.
But I'm चाणक्यपुरी धौला कुआं के आगे मैं साइकिल के साथ नहीं जा सकता था. Let alone go to Paris to meet your school girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
मस्त
yeah,
गाना
MP3 rules का नहीं MP3 and rules प्यार का super hit formula are my two.
Even
rom-com
Rules
records.
Pyar Ka super hit formula was way ahead of its time.
Yeah, I loved it. I
Yeah.
told you yesterday. Watch.
It
I
in
know, I
fact
know.
had like the whole homosexual angle before
Oh.
anybody even like
Yeah, it was
started
very nice.
normalizing
Very
it.
good, I
It
didn't
was
know
very
this.
normalized in that.
cool
yeah.
film,
Very
film. And
cool.
ऊपर से Milind Soman bonus. Yeah. Yeah, for
sure.
me also a little
Sure,
bit. You're not
sure,
into Milind Soman.
He's a runner, yeah.
That's hot. The
You're
fact
a
that he's
runner,
fit.
na?
yeah, which
You're
is
a
why
runner.
like he's like God
Very
for
fit.
runners.
Yoga also
We
he
went
does.
to walk yesterday on Burley Promenade.
And then?
Huh,
It was
and
very
we
hot.
just drove off and went to Kala Ghoda Cafe
We
to
ate and
eat
came back.
salad, coffee. And we're like, धूप है यार, चल पे.
But why would you go in the heat? You should go in the night.
6:30 we went. वहाँ भी
Then go
धूप
at
थी.
6 in the
Hot.
morning. Go at 6 in the morning. But it's so nice.
We didn't know na Preeti's entire yoga pose. We are not. in that.
हमने-
We're not
we
that
went
fit.
immediately to eat. We were like, कुछ
But
खा
no,
के
yeah. You know, the thing is, back then, because there was no social media, right? So these things were never
Fitness
talked
was-
about.
yeah.
Like now, when you think about Dil To Pagal Hai, imagine Dil To Pagal Hai releasing today. All you would hear is the PR talking about fit boards, them dancing, look
Karishma,
at them,
yeah,
this
very
body,
good.
this body.
Lolo. My God.
Too good in Dil To
My
Pagal Hai.
God,
She's
I'm a
too
huge
fit.
Lolo fan.
Yeah, she's too fit.
On that note, we must end this episode. Thank you so much, Nikita,
Thank
for coming.
you, thank you.
This was a great episode, and we are really, really excited for people to
Yes,
watch it.
thank you
you
so
so much
much.
for taking time out to come here.
Yes.
And we hope to keep in touch. And if
Yes.
you ever can take the time out again, come back. And we'll talk about
Yeah.
other
I
stuff.
hope you all have more seasons and I
Done.
will come back.
Done,
Okay,
done,
100%.
done.
Thank you
Yay.
so much, guys.
Thank you, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please like,
tell
share,
them.
and subscribe to our channel. And in fact, you know what? Nikita Datta is going to tell you to do the same.
Oh, please
course.
like, share, subscribe to the Popcorn Hour.
Woo!
Thank you. Clap.
Thank you.
When we're done.